Okay. Now this first one, g of 6, if you put 6 here, that's 6 squared. 9 minus 6 squared, 6 squared is 36. 9 minus 36 is negative, and that's not a real number. So that's why we come up with that. But you were asking, I think, specifically about g of 2/3. If we put 2/3 in for x, so I got 2/3 over the square root of 9 minus 2/3 squared. So I got 2/3 over the square root of 9 minus 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So I got 4 ninths. Then I got 2/3 over. Now this is a mixed number, so I can take 9 times 9 is 81. And then I'll add a number on top, which is a -4, which gives us 77. So this becomes square root of 77 over 9. So I got 2/3 over. Now here we got a fraction inside of radical. We can't have that, so we'll split it up. We'll put a radical on top, so square root of 77. And we'll put a radical around the bottom, which would be 9. So then we got 2/3 over square root of 77. That doesn't break down any. 77 is 7 times 11. And square root of 9, which is 3. Now what this looks like is we got a single fraction divided by a single fraction. So if I write that out this way, we got 2/3 divided by square root of 77 over 3. Remember, we never actually divide. We immediately rewrite as multiplication. So I'll flip the second fraction. Take reciprocal of it. So this is 3 over square root of 77. Then the 3's would cancel. And we'd end up with 2 over square root of 77. Now this goes specifically to the question you had. How do you handle it when you got a radical in the denominator? In this case, specifically a square root. Well, we're going to multiply both the top and bottom by the square root of 77. And that's going to give us 2 square root of 77. And square root of 77 times square root of 77 gives you 77. Now that'll always happen with square roots. So we got, choose a fraction here, 2, then I choose the square root of 77, and I put 77 down here. And that's how you handle a square root in your denominator.